Hi guys, this is Roxana here. I'm planning today on my big dashboard from the Happy Planner, and if you want to see how it goes, continue watching. Okay, now we're going to plan the week of July 19th till the 25th. So we're taking the pages out. And there we go. We have all the pages. And I decided I was going to use these stickers, the princess stickers, this one, and these two, because you're gonna see the princess I am going to be using. It's Princess Merida from Brave, and I think it'll go great with some of the leopard prints, and I like it. So let's go. First, I'm going to wipe out this part. Here. Like this. Okay. Now, for this part, which is where I plan all my filming and editing and everything, that goes here. And my pictures go here. Now I have all of this. I'm going to use this one for things I need to remember and important things. There. And progress, not perfection. The theme of the week. If you've seen like other of my dashboard videos, you maybe have noticed that I usually put I place a quote here that not everything has to be perfect. So we do that. I like that. And here with the pictures, shine bright, because the pictures need to be bright. They need to be nice. And I don't know exactly how I am doing this with this part with the leopard print. Like this one is, maybe I can do it like that. Yes. Okay. And there. Sorry, I stopped. Kind of stopped breathing in the middle of it because I didn't want it to go wrong. And this one, I like it for Monday. Hold on. It's kind of crooked, so we are doing it again. Okay, it's still crooked. I cannot get it straight. Okay, perfect. And I have some of it sticking out here, so I'm gonna cut it there. I am liking, because they're not just like leopard prints. Yeah, they are leopard prints, but I think they look really cute as kind of like bear marks, like the ones here. They're really nice. So I also have this one. Maybe I can place it here. There. And I have the other one for maybe this week, like this part on Saturday. There. They don't take up much space. And my focus, because I'm gonna leave it there, it's strong and hard, because I think that is something that describes Merida, that she was really strong and hard. She believed in herself, and she fought for what she wanted, kind of like that. So yes, I'm leaving her there. That's why I think that's why I chose her. I liked it that way. Also, she was wild and free, so let's remember that we need to stay wild and free, especially here, because this is my social media planner. So I need to stay free. I need to stay wild on my creative side and just let it be there. Okay. I am using a lot of leopards today. I was having a lot of fun with this one. I am having a lot of fun with this one. I really like it. And I like placing it it's not in the same spots. I like how it's going, how it looks. And always remember, the planner is yours. You can do whatever you want with it, and you can do what makes you happy. So I guess that's it. Here I'm writing my YouTube. Let me get. No, this is not the pen. Here, I'm going to write YouTube, and then here goes filming, edit, and here goes photos. It's written both in English and Spanish. I sometimes do that. I write in both languages in my planners. My mother tongue is Spanish, and I really like speaking English as well. And so that's what I do. I write in both. My journal, you should see it. It's a complete different. It has different languages while writing because my brain thinks in both of them. So let's leave it at that. I'm just rambling too much. Well, I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to, you can subscribe to my channel. There is also my YouTube, my Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest in the description box. You can get to them over there. So if you wanna see other of my videos, please go ahead. And if you wanna ask something, please DM me or comment below. And see you next time. Bye bye.